Hello and welcome to Soul Mantra. Today I'm going to talk about asthma. So we all know what asthma is and what are the effects of it. But today I'm going to talk about something that's going to explain the origin of asthma. So in the theory of past life, asthma is explained as some sort of pain that your soul experiences due to drowning or choking or could be any reason. The pain that your soul has experienced in your past life can sometimes be part of your present life, which causes severe attacks of asthma. Now, to heal this, a past life therapy is must. But the best part of this therapy is you don't have to be present in person to get this treatment. You can do whatever you like to do sitting at your home. So, if you or your loved ones are suffering from such an issue, call me today or set up a free consultation.